Every month, millions of Americans play a terrifying game of roulette at the pharmacy counter. Will your life-saving medication cost $50 this month? Or $500? The prices seem random, unfair, and completely out of our control. But what if I told you that a famous billionaire, someone you see on TV, got so fed up with this broken system that he decided to declare war on it? He's built a secret weapon that exposes the lies of Big Pharma and could save your family thousands of dollars a year. If you want to learn the secret to cutting your prescription costs and understand the system that's been taking your money for decades, hit that subscribe button right now. This isn't just gossip. This is the financial knowledge you can't afford to miss. So, who is this villain Mark Cuban is fighting? It's not who you think. For years, we've blamed Big Pharma. And while they're not innocent, the biggest problem is a secret middleman you've probably never heard of. The Pharmacy Benefit Manager, or PBM. Think of PBMs as deal makers who work for insurance companies. Their job is to negotiate drug prices. But the system is incredibly opaque. They create secret formularies and demand massive rebates from drug manufacturers. This inflates the list price of a drug to absurd levels, even if the drug itself is cheap to make. So, a drug that costs $10 to manufacture might have a list price of $200, just so the PBM can say they saved you 80% when you only pay $40. It's a game of smoke and mirrors designed to make them rich, and it's the reason your bills are so shocking. Mark Cuban saw this ridiculous game and decided to do something no one else would. Be completely, radically transparent. He created the Mark Cuban Cost Plus Drug Company. And its business model is so simple, it's revolutionary. Here's how it works. They find out what it actually costs to make a drug directly from the manufacturer. Let's say that's $10. Then, they add a flat 15% margin for themselves. That's $1.50. They add a $3 fee for the pharmacy's work. And finally, a $5 shipping fee. So that $10 drug? Your final price is $19.50. Period. No secret rebates, no fake list prices, no PBMs. Just the true cost, plus a small, fair profit. It's not a coupon. It's not a discount card. It's just a fair price. This all sounds great in theory, but what does it mean for your wallet? Let's look at some real examples. Let's start with a big one. Imatinib, a life-saving leukemia medication. The typical retail price in the US can be over $2,500 a month. On Cost Plus Drugs? $14.40. That's not a typo. That's a 99% saving. Okay, what about common drugs? Lisinopril, for high blood pressure. Maybe you pay $25 at your local pharmacy. On Cost Plus? $3.60. Sertraline, a common antidepressant. Retail can be $30 or more. Cost Plus price? $4.20. This isn't just saving a few bucks. For millions of people, this is the difference between affording their medication or having to choose between their health and their rent. Visuals. A dramatic side-by-side comparison table. On the left, a typical retail price column with huge red numbers. On the right, the Cost Plus Drugs price with smaller green numbers. Use high-impact examples. So, how do you get these prices? It's surprisingly simple. Step 1. Check the price. Go to their website, costplusdrugs.com, and search for your medication. It will tell you instantly if they carry it and what the price is. Step 2. Get a new prescription. This is the key step. Because they are a real, licensed pharmacy, they need a valid prescription from your doctor. Simply tell your doctor's office, I want to use Mark Cuban's Cost Plus Drugs. Can you please send my prescription to them electronically? They'll know what to do. Step 3. Order and ship. Once they receive the prescription, you just create an account, enter your shipping and payment info, and they mail it directly to your door. One important thing to note. They don't currently accept insurance directly. But as you can see, in many cases, their final cash price is still cheaper than an insurance copay. How you can use it, the step-by-step guide. Visuals. A clear, step-by-step screen recording. Mouse goes to costplusdrugs.com, uses the search bar for a drug. Shows the price clearly. Highlights the How It Works section. Shows a doctor writing a prescription. Shows the simple checkout and shipping process. On-screen text. Your 3-step action plan. Mark Cuban's company isn't just selling cheap drugs. It's selling transparency. It proves that the shocking prices we've been forced to accept are not necessary. By simply showing us the real numbers, it puts the power back where it belongs, in your hands. This is exactly what our channel, Bill Shock USA, is all about, giving you the information you need to fight back against a system designed to confuse you. If this video opened your eyes, please hit that like button and share it with someone you love. It could literally change their life. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the secrets of the American billing system. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the most you've ever had to pay for a prescription? Let's talk about it in the comments below. End screen. Links to other videos, like the bill video. Subscribe button.